In this video, we're going to analyze Ace's quote from One Piece. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
俺が本当に欲しかったものはどうやら名声なんかじゃなかったんだ。俺は生まれてきてもよかったのか。欲しかったのはその答えだった。鬼の血を引くこの俺を愛してくれてありがとう。
So today's quote is 愛してくれてありがとう。愛して is the te form of the verb 愛する meaning to love. くれて is the te form of くれる which can be used by itself as a verb to mean to give me. When it follows a verb te form, it means to do something for me. And the something is usually beneficial or favorable for the speaker. So it implies the speaker's appreciation for the action done by another person. For example, 兄はいつも宿題を手伝ってくれる meaning my brother always helps me with my homework. 日本語を教えてくれる meaning will you teach me Japanese? So, 愛してくれる means to love me. ありがとう means, as you know, thank you. And a verb te form followed by くれてありがとう means thank you for doing something for me. Since くれて implies the speaker's appreciation, it's always attached to the verb when you appreciate someone for doing something. For example, 晩ご飯を作ってくれてありがとう meaning thank you for making dinner. 助けてくれてありがとう meaning thank you for helping me. Many learners tend to miss くれて but you will never say 作ってありがとう or 助けてありがとう without くれて. So, 愛してくれてありがとう means thank you for loving me. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.